India is a nation where diversity is weaved into its geography and way of life. Yet, when it comes to healthcare, sometimes that diversity can pose a few challenges, especially for those seeking time-sensitive medical services or treatments. One such medical service is corneal transplants, where time is of the essence, since the window for a successful cornea retrieval and proper storage is short. Though corneas can be retrieved by skilled technicians, yet transporting them to the right place at the right time is not always easy. Delays are common, especially in some of the remote and underserved areas of our country.
जब हमें किसी दूर अस्पताल से, किसी छोटे अस्पताल से जहाँ पर हार्वेस्ट तो किया जा सकता है किसी ऑर्गन को, लेकिन दूसरी जगह पे जहाँ ट्रांसप्लांटेशन होना है वहाँ तक पहुँचाने के लिए हमें यदि बहुत समय लगता है या बहुत मुश्किल रोड कंडीशंस हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक है, इन सब चीज़ों के में ड्रोन उसको टाइम को कम करने में मदद करेगा।
The Indian Council of Medical Research, in collaboration with AIIMS New Delhi and Dr. Shroff's Charity Eye Hospital, are embarking on an innovative study to address a critical challenge in corneal transplantation.
ICMR ने 2020 एंड 21 में iDrone प्रोजेक्ट, ICMR iDrone प्रोजेक्ट शुरू किया था और उसका प्राइमरी पर्पस था कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक के दौरान नॉर्थ ईस्ट एरियाज़ में वैक्सीन को ट्रांसपोर्ट करना। वहाँ से हमने बहुत सारी लर्निंग सीखी। इन लर्निंग का उपयोग करते हुए हमने सोचा टिश्यू और कॉर्निया को ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जाए।
This groundbreaking study explores the possibility of transporting corneas by drone, providing a faster, more efficient way to bridge the distance between donors and recipients.
If you look at the statistics, what the drones have done, that we have cut down previously what was taking 8 hours for the vaccine delivery, now it has come down to 30 minutes.
Drones can bypass extreme weather conditions and improper road infrastructure in reaching remote areas directly and ensuring timely transportation of corneas.
50 transplants we do outside of Delhi every month. So this value of distribution, value of time is something that we appreciate.
By mapping out precise drone routes, we're ensuring that the cornea arrives safely and on time, navigating even the most challenging terrains.
Looking at the multifarious uses of the drone, our ministry is committed to ensure the proliferation of drones. I think the most important and most critical usage of drone would be in organ transplant, and today marks the first step in this direction.
The corneas are carefully transported in specialized containers, keeping them safe, cool and viable for transplant, while the drone's journey is closely monitored to ensure that quality is maintained every step of the way.
एक तो ये कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव है और क्योंकि दूरगामी क्षेत्र में बहुत इफेक्टिवली इसको भेजा जा सकता है, और दूसरा ये टाइम सेंसिटिव है, मतलब समय में कम समय में हमें जैसे कॉर्निया वगैरह और जो हमारे अंग होते हैं उनको भेजने में जो हमें समस्याएं होती हैं और ज़्यादा समय लगता है, उस टाइम को भी इससे कम किया जा सकता है।
Through this study, by comparing drone transport to traditional methods, we are measuring the impact on quality, speed and overall feasibility.
We have been documenting everything. So from preparing the training document, the guidance documents that we have, the checklist that we have, the forms that we have made, so that both the healthcare providers as well as the operators, the drone operators, how they need to be doing that, all is documented and they can be referred to. So it is kind of an SOP which I feel is also important, so that we are not deviating from what has to be done and the essence is not lost.
Our goal is to establish reliable, standardized procedures for drone-based corneal transport, ensuring the gift of sight reaches every person in need regardless of where they live.
if we create a national level regulatory framework and guideline as to how we can implement it nationwide, it will be a tremendous advantage for our aspirations to have universal health coverage.
Our study team is revolutionizing the way corneas are being transported, making transplants more accessible.
In India, we have a large number of patients who require keratoplasty or corneal transplantation for various corneal disorders.
Eye banks can then work in a hub and spoke model where we have eye bank as its hub where the processing is done, and these eye donation collection centers as spokes where these corneas can be collected and brought to the eye banks for processing.
The success of this groundbreaking research may also motivate many to register for eye donation, because the greatest gift you can give someone is the gift of sight.
ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी को मेडिसिन में यूज़ के सिनेरियोज क्रिएट करने के लिए और इसके सफल परीक्षण के लिए मैं ICMR के सभी साइंटिस्ट्स और अन्य एक्सपर्ट्स को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहूँगी, जिनकी वजह से ये संभव हो पाया है।
By embracing the power of technology, we are not just innovating, we are transforming lives and bringing hope to those who need it most.